Welcome, beautiful, powerful women in this world. My name is Anel. I am a spiritual teacher, animal communicator, intuitive healer, and I guide women towards their divine potential so they can really create a meaningful career in alignment with their unique heart desires and their mission they've come here to accomplish in this world, in this life. And today I want to share with you the power of our Yoni and our womb, because these two organs have really amazing potential within our lives. The power of womb is our creative potential, is the creative divine power. And we're aware of that because when we have baby, the creation process starts in our tummy, right? In our belly. That's when it creates a little human within our body, bringing new life to world. But also our womb has similar potential in guiding us to create a meaningful projects and career that we can give birth to into this world when we communicate and collaborate regularly with our womb and our yoni. And our yoni is the seed of the feminine potential. And when both these unite with our sacred heart, we expand our beautiful inner beauty through ease and joy, and we become unstoppable. So the another part of our power within the yoni is the ecstasy of life. It's the gateway to passion, the gateway to openness to receive pleasure in our reality in a sexual way also, but also in our everyday life, because each organ represents different area and aspect within our reality. So the womb is our creative power, and yoni it's the openness to receive, the openness to feel joy and bliss within our reality. So today I'm going to do with you a little visualization on opening the gateway to the womb, to the creative power of our womb, and connecting that womb with our sacred heart desires. So join me. So place your palms on your tummy in a shape, this type of shape, so the palms are on the level of your belly button, and just close your eyes and feel the breath. Connect with the cycle of your breath. And just let go what is not serving you. And surrender. Surrender to your inner beauty. And within this guided visualization, if your body starts to move, your hips start to do a circular movement, then just allow it to happen. This might be part of your sensual self, it's awakening, coming up to the light. So don't hold back. And just feel your breath. Notice how air enters your body, down into the Yoni, creating the cycle of life. Feel the heartbeat of your heart. Connect with your heart. Connect with the organ of your heart. And just feel love and compassion towards your feminine. Feel the heartbeat of your heart. This is the sound of the divine. Just be surrender to the heartbeat, to the value of your feminine light. Visualize beautiful white light within your heart chakra and connect with that light. It's a reflection of your inner beauty and of the presence of the divine. Now see this beautiful bubble of white light going down into your womb area, connecting with your womb. Seeing your womb lighting up with this most mesmerizing white light, expanding the connection to divine presence within you right now. Connect with your womb, feel your womb. Feel the love and compassion towards your womb. And as you have all your awareness within your womb area, just see a beautiful gateway that it's opening and you entering your sacred womb, where divine creative potential exists within you. And as you enter this sacred space, just surrender. Surrender to your creative self. And within the space, just see yourself, your feminine, being in the full power already living the life you desire. Feeling as you already have it, you already embody loving, divine union within you. How does it feel to be fully in your power, in alignment with your sacred heart desires? And just feel gratitude for the embodiment of your feminine potential within your life, of your creative powers, and the I am present. Feeling the love and compassion towards us all. And just surrender. Surrender to your meaningful career within this space. And just trust that all is in alignment. And you have what it takes. To recreate your life through ease and joy. In collaboration with the divine. And celebrate yourself, beautiful ones. Celebrate your feminine energy, your sensual self. Celebrate the goddess and your inner beauty within you, because you are unique and your light is precious for the divine and for all of us. I'm sending you lots of love, and subscribe to my YouTube channel or like my Facebook page if you're watching from Facebook, and I'm seeing you again soon. Namaste.